You too!
Dance to this bitch if you gang. Bang, I don't give a fuck if we don't bang the same thing.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Mark Rowell. I'm sorry if the video is shaky because I'm driving right now. And today, as y'all can see in the title, yeah, I'm gonna report to my manager. I'm gonna give you a context why do I need to report? Because last Monday I got sick. When I woke up, I'm not feeling well, but I still go to work. And in the middle of the work, I asked my manager if I can go home early as possible because I'm really not feeling well. I'm throwing up in the bathroom, type shit. So I asked, can I go early out? And they let me go early out. And they don't give me schedule until yesterday. Until now, until today. They don't give me schedule Tuesday and Wednesday. So now I need to report to my manager so they can give me a schedule so I can go to work again. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to the store where I'm working. And after I report to the manager, we'll go to eat to KFC. I heard KFC has some new shit. So yeah, let's try that shit, chat. I'ma come back to you later, chat. What up, y'all? Right now, I'm here in the store. Check him out. I'll come back to you after I report and then we'll do mukbang, chat. What up, y'all? Right now, I'm writing an incident report on what happened last Monday. This is what it looks like, chat. Alright, y'all, I'm done. The Belen!
When I woke up last Monday, I already not feeling well. I don't interact with stores at home. Yes, of course.
Alright, I just filed a report. I'm already done. Now let's do a mukbang in KFC, chat. I'll see you later. What up, y'all, right now? It's already 11:30 a.m. Yeah. This is my brunch. This is my first meal for today. Right now, I'm on my way to KFC. Let's get right to it. I'll come back to you later, chat.
Welcome sa KFC po.
Can I get one creamy spinach zinger? Creamy spinach twister then. And then famous bowl super platter. Junior bucket of rice. Brownie.
Next window na lang po para sa payment.
Alright, y'all, chat. I'll come back to you later when I got my order.
Thank you. Little bit disposable. Thank you po. Opo, okay na po. Thank you.
Yo, chat, I just got my order. Now I'll just park first and then we'll do the mukbang type shit. What up, y'all? Today we have KFC. Let's get straight to it.
I ordered a creamy spinach zinger, creamy spinach twister, famous bowl super platter, and a bucket of fries. This is the new menu in KFC, the creamy spinach twister. Let's try it. Not bad though. I fuck with this. That's a double for me. Now let's try this creamy spinach zinger. Check him out. Where is it? Yeah. I like the taste of creamy spinach. Eh? That's good. Oh my god. That's so hot. Feels like I can burn my lips.
Not fault twin. Alright, y'all, chat. I'm already full. This is my brunch. I just ate it in my home. So yeah, that's it for today's video. As y'all can see earlier, I filed a report on my manager. Yeah, this some shit, some short vlog type shit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, chat. I'ma see you all on my next video.